Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Honda CR-V second generation of this car, 2.2 diesel engine with significant loss of power. Of course there is a check engine light here, so let's connect the interface and see what we've got here. Diagnostic connector is right under the steering wheel on the right side. So as you can probably see, there is a error P2123, accelerator pedal position, sensor A, throttle position, sensor, circuit high voltage. In this car, accelerator pedal position sensor is right under the hood on the left side. Before you replace this component, make sure there is no problems with the wiring here, or the connector is clean inside. In this case, I'm going to replace it because it's already been replaced using not original part, but some Chinese rubbish thing. There is an original part number, just in case you need it. So now I'm going to mount this new original part and see if it helps. Okay, so I've erased default code and we need to take this car to a test drive. So as you can see, there's no check engine lights and everything works perfectly fine. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.